Hello, guys. Welcome to our evening live trading session. So this is the session where I'll be showing you guys how you can actually start analyzing the market yourself. Okay. Um, so as usual, I have my co-host here with me, Biodun. Biodun, say hi to our viewer, please.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's live session, this evening live session. Uh, for those who have joined us this morning, I believe you really enjoyed yourself in how to analyze the market. So today's class is a bit subtle for those who wants to learn from the scratch. So I will recommend, if you have any question, please always drop it um, in the chat box. Don't feel too shy. I'll be here to read all questions, attend to all questions, so that Leo can also answer them. Then if you have any suggestion regarding charts you would like us to analyze, please uh, uh, also take your time and also put it in the chat box so that we can call it out for Leo. Now, I will also recommend you get your account ready. If you have not made any deposit yet, you can start by making deposit using the deposit with benefit. Now, the advantage of joining, uh, depositing using that banner is that you'll be able to get free analysis. You'll be able to join the premium channel where we provide free analysis, we provide free signals, we provide uh, daily analysis. Maybe there is news available, whatever. So we always update our premium member first before the regular channel. And we don't provide premium signals on the regular channel. So if you join with $15 deposit, you'll be able to join this premium channel and you'll be able to get daily signal. At least we provide 2 to 1. If worst case scenario, you get 1 signal, but most of the time we provide 2 to 3 signals in the premium channel. And if you check our success rate, we're always having 85% success rate. If you deposit and stay with our premium signals without running it yourself, if you are not sure, you will always make profit. That I can assure you. Okay, and but if you want to if you want to have a live one-on-one section with Leo, then I will advise you deposit at least $200. The $200 will allow you to have 1 hour live session where you'll be teaching you banking way of a banking system of trading, which is also known as SMC and SIT. Now, I can guarantee you, if you know this strategy, you've known it for life and you can make millions of naira with this strategy. Okay, and that is the strategy Leo normally uses to provide you the signals that most of our premium members are enjoying. So for those who have made the deposit already and they're on the premium, they can witness to that. I congratulate you guys. So see you as you pay attention to this class and as you make deposits to join the premium channel. Leo, take care, please.
Thank you very much, Biodun. And let me just add a little, you know, thing to what Biodun has said. Guys, starting from tomorrow, because Biodun, I don't know if you keep getting this also. I keep getting people, saying that the deposit, can't they fund $10 for them to be able to enter the premium group? So I think we should, make it um $15, $10 for 14 days. That is 2 weeks, and then $15 for a month. Since the $15 is already a month, then the $10, if you are funding your account with $10, though it's going to start from tomorrow, okay? So if you are funding your account starting from tomorrow, if you are funding $10, you are going to be there for just 2 weeks. Okay, you are going to be on my premium channel for just 2 weeks. Then if you fund up to $15, it will be for a month. But guys, I'll advise you to fund for a month, okay? Since the $15 is for a month, because after the 14 days, you still need to fund another $10 for you to stay in the premium group for another 14 days. All right. So you see the difference. If you just fund $15, then you are there for a month. Okay. So guys, please. So as I've said, that is going to start you know happening starting from tomorrow. So for today, and I just thought about this because of those that just keep complaining that I have $10. Can I fund $10? If I fund $10, will I be qualified to join the premium group? So I just thought that okay, it's better if we have it that way, where if you fund $10, you'll be qualified to join the group for just 2 weeks. All right. But if you fund your account with at least $15, then you'll be on the group for um, a month. Okay. So you see the arithmetic, guys. I hope you are thinking what I'm thinking. So if you fund up to $15, you'll be there for a month. Why fund $10? Just kidding, guys. The choice is yours. All right. So I'm just here to make sure that everybody is comfortable. You understand? So I know they're here for our pocket now. Everybody has, the capacity or how far they can go. All right. So Biodun, what do you think about that?
Yeah, that's a good idea, actually. I was actually waiting for you to finish so that I can come in. But it's a
Thank you
perfect
very much.
idea, and we'll
Thank
look
you.
into that. I will look into that
Thank you very much.
and make sure that is effected from tomorrow. Mm.
Thank you very much, Biodun. So,
Yeah, you're welcome.
guys, let's do what we are here for. Let's do what we are here for. All right. So, like I promised in the afternoon session, I said, if we are able to get an entry on the evening session, we are going to play straight. Guys, I hope you are here with your real account. All right. I hope you guys are here with your real account. If you don't get money for your account, go and fund the account. Guys, go and fund the account with at least $15. I bet you don't want to join my premium group. Don't worry. I'm going to show you profit from my premium group. I want you to tolerate those when no one join. You understand? See, this platform is here for you guys to make money. Okay? I'm already making my own money. So this is just like a way of me giving back to the society. You understand? I'm not even asking you guys to pay for all of these things that I'm doing. These lessons I'm doing for free. The signals I'm giving for free. Okay? All that is required is for you to fund your account. Fund your account with at least $15 so that you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Okay? And then if you want to fund your account right now, it has to be done on this live stream. Yeah? If you want to fund your account, go to the chat room right now. On top of the chat room, you see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So click on that banner and it will take you to where you can fund your account. Guys, no darling, let's do this. So, guys, Muna remind me now. Where did we stop last week? I think we, did analysis and then I showed you guys. Yeah, I remembered. I gave you guys an assignment. I said, go and mark out your break of structure, support, and resistance. How many of you guys did? How many of you guys did the assignment? If you did the assignment, please post it on the premium on the BtcDana general group. I'll see it there. Okay. So um once you upload the picture, just tag me. Okay. Tag me. I'll see it. All right. I just want to see the serious people among us. I want to see those that are really into this, and those that are just here to just watch what we are doing. So I want to make sure that whenever I have any, some sort of benefit to share, I know who my people be. I know who to share it to. You understand? So, guys, this is what we are going to do today. We are going to continue with the analysis, okay? Because I want you to get perfect before we actually, restart the class again for those that are just joining us. So, please, if you are just joining us for the first time today, don't worry. I'll be restarting everything from tomorrow again. But this is still a class that you have to stay put and, take part in. You understand? Because the forex market is, you can really start from anywhere and even understand. Even with the little I'll be doing here today, you still understand something so that when we get into this part, okay, maybe as we go on, when we restart again, when we get into this part, you are already familiar with it. Okay, so this is an introduction to the forex chart which we started last week, and then we already made analysis. We already start making analysis showing you how to draw your support and resistance. Okay, so today I'm going to continue drawing support and resistance and showing you how you can actually take an entry. All right, I'll show you how you can take an entry, what you're supposed to look out for before you can actually place a trade. All right, after after we have our support and resistance, yes, we have a resistance here, then we have a support here. Now what do I do? How do I now take that entry? What am I supposed to look out for? All right, you can't just jump into a market because you already know the market is going down. Everybody can see the market is going down now. All right, you can see it right now that the market is going down. But even though the market is going down, you can't just jump into the market and then start selling. It's not possible. So there will be that particular place where you have to wait for the market to get to, or maybe there's a price pattern or a candle formation that you want to see before you actually place your trade. So that's what we're going to be doing today, guys. Okay. So please go and get your pen and paper ready. Okay. These are informative informations I want to share. Okay, guys. Another platform you have to pay for this. So please let's be serious. All right, let's be serious. So we have XAUUSD here. This is the gold market. This is the gold market. Gold has been fucking people's account up for some times now. Okay, and the reason is because they don't. Not all traders know how to get the overall direction of the market trend. So if you're not able to get the direction of your market trend, honestly, it's going to be hard. I'm not saying you're going to be getting it every time like 100%. Okay, even I took a loss here last week. Um, but that is how the market is. Okay, nothing is 100%. Like I always say, if you have a strategy that is up to 70%, 65 to 70%, honestly, you are doing well. All right. So that is why, um, if you are able to, get your directions perfectly, then that means you are already halfway, on knowing the your entry point and where to actually enter your trade from. Okay, because the overall direction is actually one of the major reasons why most people lose in the market. All right, they don't know the direction they are supposed to face. They don't know what they are supposed to do. They don't know if they should be buying or selling. All right, so they just start gambling, making sentiment decisions. Maybe they start looking for, okay, I think this market is actually creating a black candle or a red candle. Let me sell. I think the market is going to sell. Or maybe they saw a green candle and then they start feeling like, I think this market is going to buy. Let me buy. Okay. Um, but as a professional, you're not supposed to be doing that. Okay. If you do that, you are going to lose. Honestly, because it's going to be like as if you are just second guessing on what is going to happen next. So guys, that is why it is very important to get the overall direction of your market trend. And what is our overall direction of this market trend of XAUUSD? This is the gold market. Okay, so our overall direction here is a downtrend. The market is going down. Okay, the market is going down. So the opportunity you want to be looking out for right now is a sell opportunity. Yeah. So I saw somebody posting a buy trade on XAUUSD. That is the gold pair on in the afternoon. I just laughed. Okay. Even though the person was able to make little profit out of that, but the market still went against them. What happened? Look at this. The market came all the way down, took out their stop loss. Okay. But if they were following the trend, you see, that would not have happened to them. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to be 100% all the time, but at least it will give you a better chance of making profit. All right. So now what we are seeing here is a downtrend. Okay, and then we have so many things to confirm that. We have so many um, confirmation on that. So one of them is, look at what happened here. You see this my line. This is a previous support line. Okay, you see when the market got to this area, what happened? The market just start moving around. Let me zoom on that. Let me make a better so that you can see that clearly. So you see when the market got here, what happened? You see this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is the 4 hours. So every candle here, as you've known, will take 4 hours to finish printing. Okay. So look at what happened. Immediately, this market came all the way to this price. What happened? The market just started making a move to the top side. Okay, it made a move here, tried to come back down again, and then when it touched it for the second time, what happened? The market just starts, going up. Okay, so as a professional, what I love to do here is anytime I see something like this, I just mark it out. Okay, and then I'll be waiting for the second touch. Right, when the second touch happens, when it touches that same line for the second time, and then it gets rejected, then I'm going to take the trade instantly. Okay, so I would have entered from this second candle and then ride it all the way to probably maybe this area, because I don't hold trade for so long. Okay, I don't hold trade for too long. Okay. Wow. The grade. I just saw your screenshot now. You are doing well. Honestly, this is what I love. I love seeing this. These are one of the serious people. All right. Thank you. Keep it up. All right. Keep it up. I love this. I love this. You see, guys, this is a way of getting used to making analysis on the chart. I mean, getting used to being a forex trader. If you want to be a forex trader, you need to be serious. Okay, you need to be serious in a way that whatever we are doing here, this is just me teaching you. Okay, so if you are not practicing, there's no way it's going to sink in. Let me tell you the fact. If you are not practicing, there's no way it's going to sink in. Okay, so you need to practice. Just imagine uh, with everybody that took part on our evening live session on Friday. It's only great that he's sharing screenshot with me. No, guys, this is I see. Great. Please, keep it up. Okay, keep it up. So, guys, you see, if you want to be serious, it's for you. Honestly, okay. And if you don't want to be serious, it's still for you. If I give you an assignment, it's not because you are not here to play. We all know that. Yeah. So if I give you anything to do, it's just because I want you to practice it so that you get better at it. Okay. So even if it is just one person that is, taking it seriously, I think that is good enough for me. Okay. As far as somebody is taking part in it, it's good enough for me. Now not be everybody go make up for this life. Sorry about that, guys. But you have to be serious if you really want to be serious. If you want to make money from forex trading, you need to be serious, honestly. So there's no way you can make money if you're not serious. So please, guys, anytime I ask for anything, make sure you guys are participating. Make sure you guys are doing it. Okay, that is the only way you can get better. That is the only way you can start making money yourself. All right. So let's go on with our class. Let's go on with our session. Okay. So, guys, you see, as I was saying, the market. Okay, let me draw this. Let me remove that. So as I was saying, you see, the market rejected this area. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. You can actually look for an entry on the lower time frame when this start happening. Okay, immediately I saw this, I would have gone to the lower time frame to see what is happening. But don't worry, we are going to do that later. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm able to get entries like this on the lower time frame. Okay, but what I want you to concentrate on here is the rejection that is happening. All right, the rejections that happened here. the reason why the confirmation we got that that this market is going to go up. Okay, so the confirmation here is this candle. Let me remove this. The confirmation here is this candle. All right. So we call it a rejection candle. All right. This is a rejection candle. So any candle with small body and a long wick is a rejection candle. All right. Any candle with a small body, you see, it has a small body, but it has a very long wick. This is a rejection candle. Unlike this one, this black candle, you see, it has just a small wick, but with almost a full body. All right, a small wick and a big body. Okay, so look at this also. You see, a long wick and a small body. This is another pattern of rejection. This one likewise this. Okay, and even this also. Okay, so these are rejection patterns that I look out for when my market is sitting on my support or or inside my resistance area. Okay, these are candle formations telling you they are just a way of, the market is always giving you um an information. So what you need to do is you need to be able to decrypt the information. So if you're not able to decrypt the information, it's going to be hard for you to get a confirmation for an entry. Okay, so because the trade is sitting on your resistance or your support doesn't mean that the market is going to start going up or start coming down. All right, you need to be able to decrypt the information the market is giving you. Okay, you need to be able to read what the market is saying. Is the market pointing out a buy, or is it saying it wants to start selling? You need to be able to know that. All right, and how do you know that? Is just by reading your candle pattern. Okay, your candle pattern. So if you have a resistance or a support, okay, so for example, now we have this support here, and what happened? We have this rejection. Okay, one rejection is not enough for a confirmation. Okay, though most of the time it is one, sometimes it is not one. Okay, most of the time you take, just a rejection into consideration. Maybe after this first rejection you just consider that okay, the market is going to start going up, and then the market just go all the way back down. Okay, look at this scenario. Look at what happened here. We have this rejection here, but what happened on the next candle? Though this is a 4-hour time frame, so even though you scalp this for 4 hours, okay, maybe when it got all the way here, you must have made a lot of profit, a lot of profit. Yeah, but don't look at that. Okay, don't look at that. The most important thing is you want to get a proper entry. Okay, so because even with this, even though you can scalp this for some hours before the 4 hours gets exhausted, before the complete printing of this candle, this particular one, sometimes maybe you want to hold trade for much longer. Maybe you are setting your take profit around this area, hoping that since this is the 4-hour time frame, it's going to come all the way at least to this area, because we have these rejections here. So it's going to come all the way to at least this area before, even though it's going to continue its trend to the downside. But what happened? It never happened. Okay, it never happened. The market never got to that area before it starts trading to the downside. Okay, so this is an example of what I've explained earlier, that there's no 100% strategy. There's no 100% guarantee that the market is going to go your way. But and again, for you to be able to get that proper entry, you need to wait for what I love to call multiple confirmations. Okay, multiple confirmations. I think from our previous session, sorry, last week's session, I've forgotten who asked, but somebody was asking if a confirmation should be multiple or just one. Yeah, and I said it doesn't matter. It just depends on the market, what the market is currently doing as at that moment. Okay, so that is why it is important that when you are looking for your support on your resistance zone, you want it to be a major support or a major resistance zone. Okay, that way you don't need too much confirmations. All right, so what I mean by major support or major resistance zone is, look at this right here. look at what happened here. Aside this market coming to this area, do you see any other rejections in front of it? Any rejection that had happened previously? Even if we stroll to the back, you see, there's no rejection that happened previously on that price point. Okay, let's see if there's a rejection. We got this. So let's just draw this and, see if it happened there. Okay, this actually happened here, right? It happened here. Okay, it happened here. But this is not a major. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in on that. Okay. Yes. This is also, this can be considered as a major zone. Okay, this can be considered as a major zone, but I would rather take this. Okay, I would rather use this instead of this. The only thing I can do is, what I can do is I can also mark out this area and, make all of this area my support area. Okay, I can just make all of this zone as my support zone, my support area. That all of this place, so when the market come inside here, I want to be looking for a buy opportunity. Okay, and what happened when the market got to this area? What happened? You see, the market bought to the upside for at least sometimes. Yeah, but look at this. Let's zoom in. uh let's zoom in into this. So look at this. You see, when the market got into here, a lot of traders would have taken an entry. Okay, a lot of traders would have taken an entry that, this is a rejection candle. I don't blame them, honestly, because yes, this is a proper rejection candle and it rejected this level. Okay, it rejected all of this level. But what happened here was, there was a liquidity that actually took out the level. Okay, so what I would do here is, as a professional trader, what I would do here is, even though I got this rejection and I wanted to scalp this, I'll go to the lower time frame to take my entry. Okay, I will not stay on the 4 hour time frame to take this entry, because if I took this entry on this 4 hour time frame, what would have happened? I would have lost this trade. Okay, because an entry taken on higher time frame, you definitely want to go higher. You understand? But if you take this on the lower time frame, let's assume that you took this on the 15-minute time frame. Do you know how many 15-minute candle is going to form to get to 4 hours? So even if you are just taking maybe a 1 hour candle, 2 hours candle, you are going to still make a lot of profit on the lower time frame. Okay, but if you want to do this on the higher time frame, you want to wait for more um, possible confirmations. Okay, so after this confirmation, I would wait for the second confirmation to see what is going to happen. And if I got, something like this, a rejection like this, I'm not going to enter this trade. Okay, if I get a rejection, the next thing I want to see is, look at this. Let's take this for example. So if I got this rejection, the next candle I want to see is maybe something like this or something like this, something that has a body. Okay, in fact, I'll prefer this. Okay, a candle that has a body after a rejection. Okay, look at this rejection here. Look at this rejection here. After this rejection, what happened? Even though it's a sell candle, but it has a body, not a candle that looks like, uh, a resistance rejection. Okay, so this looks like a resistance rejection, like there's a resistance here and the market is reversing. Okay, this is an inverted rejection candle. You see, this is a rejection candle. This market actually rejected this zone. Okay, then it created an inverted rejection. You see, this one is facing down and this one is up. So this is looking like, there's a resistance around this area and then the market is rejecting. Okay, after creating this rejection. So if I see something like this, I'm not going to enter this trade. Okay, sorry. So if I get this kind of pattern, I'm not going to enter the trade. Okay, if I get this kind of patterns, I'm not going to enter the trade. So the kind of pattern I want to see is, a pattern where the market got rejected, something like this. Okay, the market got rejected, but after rejection, the second candle, what happened? You see, there's no the second candle is not showing something like maybe I have another rejection at the top side. The market just keeps going to the upside. All right, and then what happened? The market just keeps going up. That is a proper rejection pattern, a proper rejection candle. Okay, so and then we have another candle formation. Okay, I think I talked about this from our last week session. I said we have a bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, what is a bullish engulfing? Bullish engulfing candle is like this. So let's assume we have a candle. Let's assume this is a candle. Okay, it has a wick. Okay, so this is a candle. Okay, so let's paint this. Let's assume this is a bearish candle. Okay, let's assume this is a bearish candle. So okay. So this is a bearish candle. Okay, a bearish candle is a selling candle. That is when the candle is coming down. Okay, so what you're saying here, why my own is black, is because I customized my chart. Okay, I love it when it is black. All right, but this is the the natural form. Okay, this is the natural form of the bearish candle. It's always in red. All right, and then the um the green candle, which is the bullish candle, is always like this. Okay, in blue color. Sorry, in green color. Okay, so you see, this is the bearish candle. This is the bullish candle. This is another form of candle formation. Okay, a candle reversal pattern. All right, this is another form of candle reversal pattern. If you see this kind of reversal pattern in the forex market, this is a candle reversal pattern. It means the market is going to reverse. Okay, if you see this on maybe a support or a resistance. Okay, so you see this on a support, you can't see it on the resistance. Okay, so if it's on the resistance, you want to see the opposite of this. That means the red is going to be longer and then the green is going to be shorter. Okay, so we call this formation a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, we call this pattern a bullish engulfing pattern. So mostly this will be even much smaller. Okay, this will be much smaller. So maybe, let's say maybe half of this, maybe something like this. Okay, then we'll have, right? So this is how a bullish engulfing candle looks like. Okay, it engulfed the bearish. Okay, it overpowered the bearish, and then the market, is about to start going up. So anytime you see this on a support zone, that means that is a confirmation that the market is going to go up. So look at this right here. You see, this is an example. Okay, even though this is not a proper bullish engulfing, but this is still an example of a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, but the proper bullish engulfing candle would not have this wick. Okay, it will have a body that is maybe something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like this, just right after this. That is a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, and then if reverse is the case, maybe we have, a candle that is smaller, and then this is, wider, or this is longer. So it doesn't matter if it has a wick or not. Okay. So let's assume this is the scenario. This is the scenario. Okay. So this is going to be here, right? And then if you see this on a resistance area, on a resistance area, then the market is going to sell. Okay. The market is going to start selling. Sorry, this is how it's going to be. Sorry, this is how it's going to be. Okay. This is how it's going to be. Since it's a bearish engulfing candle, the bear is going to overpower the bullish. Okay, the red is going to overshadow all of the bullish body. Okay, so look at this. So these are the bullish and the bearish engulfing candles. Okay, those are the common candle reversal pattern that is always forming on our resistance and support area. So these are kind of formations. These are kind of candle formations that will give you that, the confidence that yes, the market is going to reverse, the market is going to go my way. Okay, maybe you are speculating after your analysis that I want to sell when this market get here, I want to buy when this market get here. All right, though the most common one is this, which is the rejection candle. Okay, the common one is the rejection candle. All right, so look at this area right now. What happened? You see, we got this rejection here, and then, oh, sorry. I've changed the color, so it's going to start showing, you know. Yes. So look at this. What happened when it got here? The market rejected. Okay. Even though I got this rejection, I won't still have taken this trade. So I would have waited for the second rejection. Okay. So when this second rejection happened, I would take this trade immediately. Okay. I will start selling immediately and riding a 4 hour candle all the way for even just 4 hours alone. Okay. Just a candle here, a candle here will take 4 hours to finish printing. So riding this candle alone, setting your stop loss above here, and then maybe your take profit around this area or around this area. Just imagine how much you could have made from this trade. Okay. So guys, everything that is required in trading is patience. Okay, even though you are looking at this right now, I know most people will start feeling like you want me to wait for 4 hours, a candle that is going to take 4 hours to print. I'll wait for this one, I'll wait for this one. No, please, I prefer to go to the 1 minute time frame and start trading. Guys, hey, that is the beginning of failure. Trust me, honestly, that is the beginning of failure. All right, everything that has to do with forex, yeah, no, not even forex alone, everything that has to do with life need patience. Okay, if you are not patient, ah see, life will run person mad though. You don't understand now. May life never run us mad. Guys, say amen. So that's how it is. Okay, this is how to get your proper confirmations on reversal patterns. Okay, where the market is going to reverse from. If your market is sitting on your support, if it's on your support or your resistance, you want to look out for a proper rejection candle before you make an entry. Okay, so now let's start making analysis using everything that we've been learning. Okay, our support and resistance, and our trend line, right? So let's start making analysis using our support, our resistance, and our trend line. All right. So now, as a professional, as I said, if you want to look out for an opportunity, the first thing you want to look out for is your market direction. So the first thing you want to look out for is your market direction, where the market is heading to. So if you are able to get this, making analysis will be much easier. Okay, making your analysis will be very much easier because that way you already know the market is going down. So let me stay on the selling side. Okay, not that you can't get a buy opportunity, but with that you can just, sorry guys, just a moment. So with such confirmation of your market direction, it is easy for you to start making your analysis. Okay, so if you get maybe a breakout where the market has broken out, then you can start looking for breakout of a support, then you can start looking for a sell. Okay, you don't want to wait on a buy trade when the market direction is a sell direction. Okay, guys, it is very important. All right, it's very important. So look at this market right now. We already know that this market is a downtrend, it's going down. Okay, so what we want to be looking out for is a sell entry. Yeah, and then there's no proper market structure that we can make analysis from here. The only thing that I'm seeing is this rejection and this rejection. Okay, and then okay, we have this also. We have one, we have two, then we have three. Okay, but there's nowhere to draw our support or our resistance. Okay, because even this market right now is still a trending market. The market is still moving. Okay, so we can't set our just because we saw this week here, we can't set our support around this area. Okay, before you can make this your support area, before you can draw out your support box, you want to see something like this. Okay, a movement from that area, not just a candle. All right, you want to see a movement, a full movement, something like this, and then you draw this out. Okay, you draw this out, you are waiting for the market to come back into it again. But what happened here? You see, the market broke it out. Okay, it broke it out, it broke it to the downside. Why? Because the market is on a down movement. Okay, so now we have this point, we have this, and then we have this rejection. Okay, but they are all on down, facing a descending position. Okay, so what we can do here is we can actually try connecting these rejection areas with our trend line. Okay, we can try connecting these areas with a trend line. So a trend line like this, sorry, let me delete that. Okay, so we have this. Okay, you see, then we have this second. So let's see if it aligns with the third one. It didn't align with the third one. Okay, it doesn't align with the third one. But see, after this, what you can still do is you can delete this. Since this is a rejection area, this is a rejection where the market has previously buy to and then start selling to the downside. We can take our trend line from there. Okay, because this is the current market, this is a current market, this is the market that happened. I think this happened today. So we want to see a market reacting from what has happened recently. Okay, not too far. Okay, not something that has happened maybe since 3 days back, 4 days back. Okay, since we are going to be trading on the lower time frame and we don't want to stay too far too long in the market, then you want to see, you know you want to get you want to see what is going to happen when the market comes back into a previous support or a resistance zone. Okay, so guys, I'm just showing you how I make my own analysis personally. Okay, this is not the ICT way. So for those of us that are here, for those of you guys that are here hoping that I'm going to be teaching how to make the analysis, this is not the ICT. Okay, this is not the SMC. This is price action. Okay, this is the common way of trading. This is the most popular chart technical analysis most traders use. Okay, so now what you're supposed to be waiting for is a rejection back, a move back into this area, and then you look out for a sell position here and then continue to ride the trend to the downside. Okay, but as I've said, this is the 4 hours time frame. Though even though you go to the lower time frame, doesn't mean that you're going to be getting opportunities every time. Okay, you're not going to be getting opportunities every time, but you can actually come down to the lower time frame to see if you can get another entry. Okay, if there's another opportunity or another form of maybe market movement that you want to watch out for. All right, because the 4 hour is going to take almost forever. Imagine waiting for a 4 hour candle. Eh? So imagine waiting for all this candle on the 4 hour time frame. This could take you days before it actually maybe move back into this. So you want to come to a much lower time frame where you can see the market movement um a bit better. Okay. So since this market is on a descending channel, okay, it's coming down. So it's descending to the downside. What you want to be looking out for obviously is a sell opportunity, yeah. So I don't want to draw um another trend line. I don't want it to be a channel. Okay. So if I should make something like this, you see, this is going to start giving me that confusion that since this market is touching it, I want to start buying. And it's a selling market, I don't want to buy. Okay, I just want to focus on a sell because the market is selling heavily. All right. So look at this. We have this break of structure from this area. Okay, we have this break of structure from this area. And after this break of structure, what happened? The market just keeps coming down. Okay. So what is going to happen here is I'm using break of structure in the ICT way. Okay. Let's not use that. Let's use something like this. A break of support area. Okay. So this is a break of support. And what happened after a break of support? We want to see a trade back into the previous support, and then the market is going to start selling because anytime, remember what I said about support and resistance, anytime we have a break of a support, then the support is not a valid support anymore. It is now a resistance. All right. But if it is a resistance and then the market breaks it to the upside, then it is not a resistance anymore. It's now a support because when the market breaks below a support, what is going to happen? The market is going to continue to sell. So even though this market come all the way to this area here now, it's going to retest this and then continue to sell because it is now a support. Okay. So this is a break of support. And what happened after a break of support? We want to see a trade back into the
Hello, guys. I think network disrupts him. Uh, for somebody asking if we should add him to the premium, please take note that I will add you to this premium group tomorrow morning. For those who have made payment between Thursday evening, Friday, and Monday, you'll be added first thing tomorrow morning. There was public holiday in between. That's actually why we could not add you as we are supposed to. But be right assured that when we add you tomorrow morning, that is when your deposit start counting. Your premium 30 days start counting, not when you made the deposit. Uh, that's for, I'm referring to Bright Chimezie. As soon as they check and we realize that you made the deposit using the deposit banner, deposit with benefit banner, then of course we'll add you tomorrow morning.
thank you very
Are
much,
you right?
Jordan.
Okay, okay.
Yes, thank you very much. Sorry about that, guys. That was a little bit of network displacement. Okay, let's use forex term for our network. So guys, let's continue with our analysis. Okay, let's make analysis on another pair. All right. I don't want us to just stay with the XAUUSD. Okay, or better still, let's make analysis using cryptocurrency. currencies. Okay, let's make analysis on cryptocurrencies because I just keep getting this I keep getting this question every time that if I know how to analyze the forex market, am I gonna be able to trade the cryptocurrency? Guys, the answer is yes. Okay. Technical analysis is for every market. A market that has chart. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are trading currency, if you are trading crypto, if you are trading indices, whatever you are trading, as far as there's chart, as far as chart like this, what you want to be doing on that chart is technical analysis. Okay, what you want to be doing on that chart is technical analysis. All right. So this is the 4-hour time frame for BTC USDT. Okay, this is Bitcoin associated with the US data. Okay. So now, what you want to be doing here is you already know that the market is on uptrend, yeah, and the market just broke out of a higher time frame high. Okay, this is the previous high that just got broken. You see, it got broken here. This is the 4-hour time frame. So a retest from this high is a good entry, guys. All right. I don't know why I keep using line instead of my rectangular box. I don't know why I just, just love using that line. So you see, this is a higher time frame. This is a higher time frame break of structure. Okay, so it broke it. This is a previous. This is a previous resistance zone. Okay, because this is a zone where most traders would wait for the market for this market to come um back to, and then they start selling. But what happened? The market never sold. Okay, it didn't even get to that area when it sold for a little while, but immediately it approached it. What happened? It just broke it to the top side. So what this market is telling you right now is that it's going to continue to buy. Okay, it's going to continue to buy. All you have to wait for is all you have to do here is wait for this market to make a retest. Okay, come back into this zone. All right. So when this get back in here, retesting this area, then we are going to start buying. But obviously, you want to wait for a confirmation before you buy. That is very, very important. Okay. So you just don't not that when you just see the market getting into here, or maybe the market is here, and then you start buying instantly. All right. So when it gets inside the previous resistance zone, you want to see rejections. Okay. You want to see a rejection, something like this. Okay. The rejections I've showed you earlier. You want to get maybe like, even if it's just a rejection, since we already confirmed that this is higher time frame break to the upside, then the possibility of this market continuing this bullish trend is very high. Okay, the possibility of this continuing, the buy trend is very high. But what you want to do is you want to go to the lower time frame to wait for, when the market gets high here. Okay, you want to be seeing that on your lower time frame, because on the lower time frame, say on the 30-minute time frame, you'd quickly get the rejection better than staying waiting for the 4-hour time frame. Okay, if you're on the 4-hour time frame, a candle will take 4 hours to finish printing, right? But on the 1-hour time frame, the candle is just going to take 1 hour. Okay, on the 30-minute time frame, it's going to be just 30 minutes. So guys, do the math. Okay, so if this market come here right now, since I've already gotten that break of resistance area on the higher time frame, I already know that the market is going to buy. Okay, but where I want to buy it from is what matters now. I already have the confirmation. This is a buy trade. The market is going to keep buying to the upside. Okay, and then I have the line that I'm waiting for the market to come back into before I actually place my buy. Right? So when this come back into here right now, I want to see something like this. I want to see a movement from here into here, and then the market will reject, close above, maybe do something like this again, and then the market will keep going up. Okay, and then I'll follow it to the upside. Okay, in forex trading, we are not the one making the decisions. Okay, the bigger boys in the forex market. What I mean by the bigger boys is the big companies the financial institutions, they are the ones making the move. All right. So as an individual trader, as a retailer, we are retailers, okay, because we are individual traders. So as a retailer, what you want to be doing is you want to be following those big boys, okay. You want to go with the flow. Whatever they decide on doing, if they want to buy, then you follow the buy. If they are selling, you follow the sell. All right. So guys, we have just few minutes to the end of our session for today. If you have any question you want to ask me or you want to ask us, please let us know in the chat room below. All right. So guys, I hope you are getting the scope of this, how to make your analysis and how to place trades. Yeah, I hope you are getting this. For the newbies, I hope you are jotting down something, because when we start everything afresh tomorrow, we are still going to get here. You understand? That is why I said, even though you are just joining us for the first time, even though this is the first time you are coming to a forex trading lesson, make sure you are taking notes, okay? Because we are still coming here later. All right. So let's make another analysis before the end of our session. Okay, let's make another analysis. Let's make another analysis. Let's use Ethereum. All right, let's use Ethereum. Let's use Ethereum. Let's see what is happening on the Ethereum market. Okay. So this is the 4 hours time frame. We have this high previously. So sometimes, even though I'm not able to see my charts clearly, okay, let's zoom in. Let's zoom the chart in so that we can see this better. Okay. Okay, you see this? You see what is happening here? When this market got here, what happened? It just rejected. Okay. When this market got here, the market rejection it rejected, and now it's selling to the downside. Okay. Even though what we saw here looks like an uptrend, but when it got to this area, the market rejected, and then we have multiple confirmations. Okay, so these are the kind of confirmations I love to see before I take an entry, and then I'll ride the trend to the downside. Okay, you see this market is reacting to this right now. Guys, I know you already know why this is reacting here. Okay, it's reacting to this gap, but don't worry, we are not here to learn about gaps. Okay, what we are here for is support and resistance, and then our trend line. So what I want to do now is, since we have this rejection, then we have this rejection. If I want to draw my support box here, it's not going to align with this. Okay, it's not going to align. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to draw this. Okay, and then I'll be waiting for this trend to come all the way to this area. Okay, you see, I'm making my analysis on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, I'm making the analysis on the 4 hour time frame, and then when this fall down to this price level, then I'll go to the lower time frame to start looking for an entry. Okay, I want to get something like this. When this market come all the way down to this area, then when I get this, then I'll go to the lower time frame. Maybe I can check on the 1 hour to see if there's a rejection, and if I'm not getting the rejection on the 1 hour, then I'll go to maybe the 30-minute time frame or even the 15-minute time frame to see if I'll be able to get a rejection. Okay, so the rejection I get here will give me that confidence that yes, this market will start buying. It will respect my trend line. All right. So guys, this is how to make analysis. Okay, this is how to make analysis. All right, this is how to make analysis. So guys, I hope you guys are okay with this. I hope everything is all about practicing. Okay, this depends on how serious you are on your forex trading journey. Okay, how serious you want to take it. So if you are serious about this, what I expect you to do is make analysis. Okay. After this session, go back into your chart. Everything that we are doing here, all the drawing of our support, box, resistance box, do the same thing also. All right. See if you can get the direction of the market. If you can get the market direction where the market is going to go. Okay. So if you are able to get it, if you're able to get the market direction, you can place the trade on your demo to see if the market will go your way. All right. You can place the trade on your demo to see if the trade is going, if the trade will go your way. Okay. So let's assume that this market fall all the way to this area right now, and then you can go to the lower time frame, or you can even stay here. Okay. But the reason why I say don't stay here is because this is the 4 hour time frame. Every candle is going to take 4 hours to finish printing. So it's not going to be easy to stay on a 4 hour candle before until if it finish printing. So you can go to the lower time frame to see what is happening. Then if you get a rejection the way I've shown you previously earlier, if you get a rejection that way, then you want to take the trade on your demo to see if it's going to go your way. Okay, guys. Um, um, how do they say it? They say the more you practice, the more you get better. Okay. So don't just feel like because Leo has said all of this now, let me just start taking trade. Okay. You need to do this your own. Okay. If you want to get better at this, you need to do this. So practice make perfect, guys. All right. So if you have no question, if you have nothing you want to share with us, or any inquiry you want to make from us, I think okay, we've exhausted our 1 hour session. So I think we should stop here for today. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow afternoon live stream session, we are going to be placing making analysis as usual, and then placing possible trade if we are able to get an opportunity. All right. So, guys, we've come to the end of our live session for this evening. Biodun, do you have anything you want to say to them before we go offline?
Nothing much, nothing much. All I want to say is the banner will be available. Even if you can't make deposit now, the banner will be available all through till tomorrow before the next live stream. So if you feel the need to make a deposit so that you can be added tomorrow morning, please feel free to do that. Then analyze the market, practice what you have learned now. The more you practice, the more you learn, just like Leo have said. Uh, then you thank God you can actually use our app. You can use the demo interface. You can use the real account. Even if you're on the premium group, when Leo draws the premium signal, you trade. If you want to practice on your own, you switch to demo. So with the demo, you can easily learn while you're also making your money on the other way around, on the other way. So good night, enjoy your sleep, and we'll see you tomorrow morning again.
Thank you very much, Biodun. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. All right. Have a blessed
All right,
night.
Leo. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Biodun. See you tomorrow.